To using an old horseshoe in home decor in the fun beginner project can be creative and the unique way to repurpose these items. Here are some ideas to get you started. Like horseshoe wall decor, clean up the horseshoe, remove the dirt and rust, and paint it into a desired color. You can hang it on the wall as a rustic and the lucky charm. Attach the horseshoe to the piece of wood and directly to the wall, making sure it securely fixed. Use the caps in the horseshoes to hang your keys. If you have multiple horseshoes, you can weld them together to create a unique and beautiful wine rack. Add a wooden shelf on the top to hold the wine bottle as well. Held up. Bind together a few horseshoes to create a candle holder. Place candle in the gaps between the shoe and light them up for a cozy atmosphere. Attach a small picture frame to the horseshoe using a wire and glue. Display your favorite photo artwork within the frame. Welder ties several horseshoes together to form a circular shape. Place a spotted plant on the center for a rustic plant holder. Attach two horseshoes to a wooden base to create a unique bookend for your bookshelf. Use a horseshoe to create a sculpture for your garden. Weld them together into a various shape like flower, animal, and abstract design. Attach welder growth bottom for the horseshoe to create a unique coaster for your coffee table.
For today's video is how to upcycle your metal horseshoe, craft and art ideas and the home decor tips and tricks to upcycle your waste in a better way, and you can decrease your carbon footprints. Metal horseshoes. have been a staple and the acquisition word of the countries. Not only they provide us several benefits and support to the protection for a horse, but they also have a rich cultural history and the static appeal that make them ideal for crafting home decor projects. In this video, we will explore some creative ideas for upcycling metal horseshoes into a unique work of art and the functional home decor. If you are a book lover, consider using a pair of metal horseshoes as a bookend. Simply sand them down and give them a coat of paint or a rust inhibitor to protect them from further rusting. Then glue them to a wood base to keep them upright and sturdy. This will not only add a rustic charm to your bookshelf, but will also keep your book organized. Another simple yet effective use of metal horseshoes is to turn them into a coat hanger, attach them to the piece of wood or metal rods and hang them to your